Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to create Apple ID. So let's get started. Firstly, go to the settings, and in settings, you will get to see the sign into your iPhone option available in the top. Simply tap on it to create new Apple ID. So you will get to see the option don't have an Apple ID in the bottom. Simply tap on it. So after you tap on the don't have an Apple ID option, you will have to enter your details as in name and date of birth. Enter your details. Here I am writing down my first name, last name and the date of birth. Now all you have to do is follow the on-screen instructions and put the actual record of your birthday through the help of the calendar provided here. Now continue with the process. Now all you have to do is enter your personal information such as email address, passwords, and here I'm entering my email address. And again continue with the process. This is the email address you will use as in the Apple ID in Apple ID. So this is, now continue with the process again. Now all you have to do is enter the password and verify the password. Make sure to use a difficult password and continue with the process again. So here you can see I have used a weak password, so Apple is asking me to enter it again. So after you enter the password, all you have to do is verify your phone number now. After entering your phone number, Apple will send a verification code to your phone number. Then all you have to do is agree to terms and condition and your account, Apple ID account, will be created. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.